I've never opened, like I said, I've never opened up a box of wheels before, ever. So here we go. Imagine if they sent me the wrong wheels. Dude, this is so exciting.
I feel like a parent like videotaping their kid on Christmas right now.
That's pretty much the that's pretty much what you're doing. Oh man, are you guys? You guys aren't even ready for this. And like I said, oh, another box inside of a box. Like I said, I've never seen anybody do this specific wheel before. I've seen reps of the real thing, but this is like the expensive, almost the real thing, but not quite version. But let me try and get these boxes. Oh. All right, they are the right ones because that offset is very scary. These boxes say 5x114 on them. Nope, those aren't them. That's not good. We'll find out because they're custom drilled, so it's not like they would have a box for a custom drilled thing, which is what I'm hoping is going on. Oh dude, just the fresh wheel wrap. Are you ready? Get a load of these. Damn, look at those, dude. Oh, those are so sick. And they have the white center caps. Because I've seen them with silver center caps before, but like, damn. Oh, baby. Oh. Dude, those are so sick. These are the ESR SR08s in gloss white, as you can see. These are gonna look so sick on the car. As you guys know, the accent colors with the Focus is white. So with the white badges and the white shift knob and a couple of other white pieces, these are just gonna set the car off. And we've got some tires to throw on them over there. Those are the Toyo Extensas, which we grabbed as well. So those will fit nicely. These are 235 40s. And this is an 8.5-inch wheel, so they should stretch just a tiny bit so that they can fit, because these wheels are a plus 30 offset. It's gonna be pretty close getting these wheels to fit, but if we have to camber it, we will. And I have somebody else who's ran the SR07s, which on the website say they have the same offset as these, and he did it, so it should be okay, right?
Dude, look at these.
These are so pretty, aren't they?
Holy crap.
Oh my god, dude, those are so sick. This is really, really huge, guys, because this is the first like purchase I've ever made, like with YouTube money also. So not only are these the first wheels that I've ever bought, but it's the first thing that I've ever reinvested technically into myself with YouTube money. I honestly don't know what else to do other than make sure that they're gonna fit, because that's scary that the box says 5x114 on them. We're just gonna put the Focus up on the lift just a little bit, take a wheel off, and then make sure that these even fit on the spokes, because if they don't fit, that's gonna suck. So we do have wheel spacers on here too, which we're gonna have to take off, but when we put the actual wheels on, we won't have the wheel spacers on here anymore. I don't know if anybody needs wheel spacers, but we have the ability to ship them anywhere in the country, so if you need them, let me know. They're 25mm all the way around. All right.
Like magic.
Okay. And I'm gonna go put some gloves on so I don't dirty my new wheel.
Moment of truth.
Alright, well, that's how she's gonna sit. Yeah, it's close.
It does indeed fit.
It's really close back here. Like, it's not too close. I know the tire won't fit, or
yeah,
won't hit it, but let me put some lugs on it.
Oh.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, dude, I think that's all the way off.
Yeah.
I think that's fine. Because that's about how much sidewall I'll have right here. And then it'll stick up to about right there. Oh, it's gonna be so close. That is legit, like, maybe just like that much outside of my fender. So if we camber it a little bit, that's gonna look so good.
I'm glad you went with this style over the other one.
Yeah.
That you were looking at.
Yep. Because I haven't seen these ESR wheels on any Focus SD.
Yeah.
I've seen like the Vortivan or no, some other weird brand. They're like $600 for 4 of them. All right, welcome back to day 2 of this. Today we're gonna be getting these actually mounted up to the wheels. I have an appointment and we're about to be late, so we have got to get going. And this one is going to go in the front seat, and that is why hatchbacks are freaking awesome, because they can fit way more than they should be able to in the back. That should be safe, I mean, right? Not that bad. Oh man, these things look so good. I cannot believe how much more I actually like the white than I thought I would. There's nothing better than just a really clean white wheel. Now we're gonna do the thing that I am extremely, extremely afraid of, which is fit them onto that thing, because it's gonna be really, really close. But enough of me saying it's gonna be really close every like 30 seconds. Let's just see how close it's actually gonna be. I have a lot to learn, both in life and with cars. And I really hope this isn't a lesson to be learned with what I'm about to do right now. I mean, I did my research. I know that they're gonna poke out about 6.9 millimeters, but will that be too much? Wheel spacer off. Wheel going on. Now this is just temporary. I have other custom lug nuts coming. I can't wait till you guys see those coming in. They're as ricery as I could ever want. Just like my white wheels. Oh man, that's close. That's close. I think the backs are 100% fine. See how much room we got there? I think that's good. We should go try the fronts now. Roast me if you will. I know they're fake TEs, but damn it, that looks good. Oh, dude. Oh my God. These look so good. All right, guys. Pray they fit, because I really, really, really want to drive home with these tonight. We're fitting up the, oh my God. We're fitting up the wheel. Okay. Fitment check, initiating. Woo! Oh, baby. It looks like they fit. Oh, oh my God, dude, what? I literally cannot believe this is my car. Look at that thing. Oh my God, the white is like, whew, man. All right, now for the real check. I'm gonna turn the car on and I'm gonna turn the wheel and see if anything like hits or rubs on the inside, which is the last huge hurdle before I think we're actually good to drive on these things. Just in case, you know, you need a refresher as to what my car looked like before. Boring. And after, not boring. These are new tires, so they are gonna squeak. So I'm gonna have to try and like tell the difference between a squeak and an actual rub. But we'll just like roll backwards and see if anything actually rubs. When you match your car dough, I cannot even believe that these wheels fit on the car. Now, I'm not that low. I'm lowered about an inch and almost a half. I mean, there's a good amount of tire poking out of there. And that wheel is turned, so I'll fix that in a second. That looks way worse than it actually is. It's probably more like the back here. But like, damn. These are plus 30s. Plus 30s. And I was scared to go below a plus 40. Like plus 35 was like, nah, dude, it's not gonna fit. Oh my god, guys, this thing looks freaking sick. Oh my god, they don't rub a bit. I literally was full lock turning on those turns right there. No rubbing at all. I know it's like pitch black out and the moon's out though, helping me out with that lighting though. But oh my god, the fitment and everything is perfect. That right there is full lock for my car. So no rubbing, no nothing on the inside or the outside. Oh my god. I don't even know what to do, guys. I literally have no idea what to do next. This is like, this tops every single thing I've ever done to this car. And also it's all because of you guys, because without you guys watching my videos and sharing and liking and commenting and subscribing, I wouldn't have gotten to the point where I'm at today, and I wouldn't have what I have today without you guys. So honestly, with you guys, the sky's the limits. Like, look at what we've done in just a year and a half. Not even. The channel went from zero, no views ever, to this, to where we're at right now, and that's all because of you guys. So with that being said, let's bring it home and get Nate's reaction, because I didn't tell him that the wheels fit. So we're gonna get that reaction when we pull up. I wish I could afford real TEs, but not for this car. Yeah. Not for the Focus. Yeah. Yeah, dude. This is the way to go. That's for sure. Dude. Insane. Dude, it's so nasty.
The front fits way better than not that I thought it was gonna be bad, but like,
yeah, dude, that's perfect. Like, that's nasty right there. And it's official when it's in the garage though. Today actually went a lot better than I thought it would. I didn't think I'd actually be driving with the car and the new wheels yet, so that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna go have a quick workout and then I'm gonna end the vlog. Ending the vlog here. You guys are probably seeing this video on Saturday, because normally I edit my videos at night when I come home from the gym, if I have a video to edit that night. But tonight I'm just kind of feeling a little bit like ass. I went a little too hard, and I think for my own, I guess not my own health, because I'm not like in danger of, you know, hurting myself or whatever, but just for my own chillness, I guess. I'm gonna hit the bed early tonight. Video's gonna be up Saturday. You guys already know that though. Very sorry about that, don't hate me, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know I don't seem it right now, I'm extremely tired, but I am beyond stoked with how this came out. I can't believe that this is just the only mod that I've done to the car, like, that's actually substantial in the way that it changes the look. The way that I feel about these wheels, I can't even imagine someday in the future when I wide body a car, what that is going to feel like. I don't know, but we're gonna find out hopefully next year if all goes to plan. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you very much. And if you also made it this far, please don't forget to subscribe, because we were trying to hit 5,000 now. That's insane. But yeah, I'm gonna head out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one very shortly. Goodbye.